Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this GeoTools video, I am going to talk about our civil tools. The civil tools is a category in GeoTools that allows you to create a tin surface or a digital terrain model, generate contours, create cross-sectional profiles and chainage annotations along a proposed alignment or along a polyline. Under the road section, we have some basic tools to define the road carriageway and build the swept path section of the built-up road alignment also. If you are using BricsCAD V24 and above, this section can also leverage and use the tin API functions available in BricsCAD. There are several tools available for map sheet creation with automatic placement of map sheets along an alignment. If you are into GIS data preparation, we also have some great tools to create Voronoi polygons, which are also called Thyssen polygons. This is what you need to build areas of influence around a selection of points. The cut and fill analysis is important for any civil engineer, and we have some tools in this area also. Lastly, there are standalone tools for getting the bearing and distance info between two picked points, control the precision of existing bearing text, and so on. Now, this is only a quick summary of what we have in the civil tools section. There are many more. You can download a trial of GeoTools and check it out for yourself. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.